Let's bring in our trial attorney who is analyzing this case for us this hour. Michael Jaafar is with us. Michael, let's talk about what she is charged with, which is aggravated child manslaughter, child neglect, and that leading to a manslaughter. And the way the prosecutor is going to be presenting this in front of a jury when they're at the closing argument is they don't have to say it was knowing, they don't have to say it was willful, but that she should have made a reasonable effort to protect a child from abuse and neglect. Do you think they get there without that second incident?
Tough one, Julia. So I disagreed that the first one should not have been in. I could see the judge's logic. The judge doesn't want this case to come back from the appeals court on a boomerang because he admitted something that was overly prejudicial. And also maybe the judge would have thought there's enough here to convict her because we're just looking at a manslaughter. We're not looking at a murder one, murder two. I think it's going to be, I don't think it's going to be that tough to get there because of the fact that this child suffocated in the garage while she was playing the piano. I think there's enough here to get her there. They don't have to show intent. They don't have to show that she was knowing. They just have to show that she was negligent or reckless. And the fact that this kid was a vulnerable child, I think under Florida law, if they're like under 18 or they're an elderly person, that takes you from a regular manslaughter to a manslaughter. This kid was 7 months old. So I don't think it's going to be difficult for them to get there just with the facts alone. Just the fact that she was playing the piano. Also, one more thing, Julia, this is my conspiracy theory. I think all these juries know this stuff. I'm not saying it's right. I'm not saying they should. I'm just saying it's 2025. In 1925, they wouldn't know. In 2025, unfortunately, they know. I'm not saying it's right, but I just don't see how the prosecution's not going to get her to a manslaughter. Also, eventually, I hope she testifies. That right there will tell you whether or not she has any shot at beating this charge of aggravated manslaughter.
Absolutely. We will see if that happens. If she actually takes the stand, there wasn't a mention in the opening statement of whether or not they're promising that she will testify, but we will see. Michael Jaafar, stand by. We're going to get to a break.